What is this? I have found potential asset. Henry Stickman. Why does he belong here? He was arrested for breaking into a bank. We already have very many thieves in here. Yes, but he also escaped from prison. Interesting. He is also the one responsible for the disappearance of the Tunisian diamond. I did hear about that. There is more. You know the Topet clan. Of course. Apparently he had some sort of incident with them as well. What do you mean by incident? There are conflicting reports. One report says he brought down the Topet clan. Another say he joined them. Another report talks about him teaming up with his government. And there is something about a teddy bear. I do not know what actually happened. I guess whatever makes the most sense depending on the decisions he makes. Does that mean you want to bring him in? Yes.